Tikman natin tong venti ice americano, 5 shots of espresso, 2 sugar-free vanilla, 1 mocha, and vanilla sweet cream. Tikman natin. First time kong umorder nito. Wow. In fairness, nang hula-hula lang ako pagdating doon. Masarap! Ni-straw ko talaga. Wow, sarap. Fairness. Pwede na. Low calorie and low sugar drinks. Drinks? Marami yun. Bye!